Chinese plugs are so dangerous, they should be banned in the UK. This is the plug I'm on about. You know the one? For fitting a two-prong power lead into this plug here, into your socket, into your house. Yes. So if you bought something from China, it's got that two little plugs on it. Keep watching. You're going to be shocked and maybe horrified. This is for your own good. So please watch this video carefully. Okay, so this is a standard British plug. This is one of the ones that's moulded to your leads, so you can't actually take it out, right? So you push that into there, you pull it open, there's your fuse. If a surge goes onto that plug, the fuse will blow and nothing will work. That's a safety feature in the UK. Now, the Chinese plug, typical Chinese plug. This is what you get for all sorts of Chinese things. You know, the one with the two plug. You get a Chinese lead, it's always got, or American lead or whatever, it's always got a two-prong plug that fits into air. Some are flat, some are round, but it's a two-pin plug. So straight away you've got no earth because you're only using two pins, the earth's up there. You never get a Chinese plug with a three lead. So you're doing away without your earth. So I'm going to open this plug up now and prove a fact to you how dangerous these are. So we'll unscrew there. I'm going to unscrew there. There's no way I can cheat or make this up as I'm going along. This is how it is in real life. If you've got one of these plugs, please get it out and try it yourself. Have a look. Now we're going to take these off. Now on our plugs, these pins go all the way through, and that's what holds the fuses. But on the Chinese plug, look at that. All they are is there, and these screws here, where are holding this part on here, is actually just rubbing against pieces of metal. Can you see that? So these are just pushed up against these pieces of metal here. Now, where's the fuse? There's no fuse. I'll prove that now because I will actually go like that, and I'll take that out. As you can see, it's just a piece of metal, no fuse. We'll do the next one. A piece of metal, no fuse. No fuse whatsoever. And this one, well, there won't be a fuse in earth, but I'll still take it out just to show you. Just a cheap piece of metal. These plugs are so dangerous. If you have a surge, the plug will not give way and there will be a fire in your house. If the electricity can actually heat this up, this is plastic, it will set on fire. If the thing what you got from China, like a food mixer, a kid's toy, if that shorts out for some reason, and if that don't start on fire first, and if it can heat this up fast enough, well, hot enough, this will set alight. But 9 times out of 10, it has no power limit. So the electricity that's going into your toy, your fan, your charger, whatever, it will burn your house down. I can't show you on a physical test. I wished I could, but I don't know anything that I've got to burn out. That I don't want to burn something out. But you can understand this. Now, look at it carefully. It is so badly built, it's ridiculous. It is, honest. It is so dangerous. Why our government allow these things to come in this country, I do not know. I really don't know, honest to God. Because they're just absolutely rubbish. You can see now that when I put that back together again, all it is these parts, these screws, and they're just brass screws, or some cheap crap like they made it with. It's just touching against a tin plate. That's what you're getting, and that's what you're putting your whole life to. One of them being in your house, plugged in. You might have one of these plugged with a laptop or a Game Boy or or a computer or a pad or something else. If that pad goes faulty, if that tie or whatever you got goes faulty, this is not going to stop pushing power into it. And you could kill yourselves by allowing this to happen. This is so dangerous. And look at that crap, that's just cheap, nasty, horrible crap. So all I'm saying is, think about your life. Think about your kids' lives. How much do you love your kids? How much do you love your wife? How much do you love you, yourself personally? That's what you're doing. You are playing a game of roulette, Russian roulette. Every time you plug something into this plug, you are spinning the barrel on a gun that's ready to shoot you dead. It will kill you in your sleep, because fire and smoke has no mercy. Please stop using these. Somebody complained to the government about them. It says 10 amp 240 volts. There's no fuse in there. It's not a 10 amp. Do you understand what I'm saying? There's no fuse in there. And that metal that's in there can surely take more than 10 amp. I'll guarantee you that. I can't stress enough how much I hate these things. But hey ho, if you don't take my warning, that's up to you. But all I'm saying is, these are so dangerous, it's unreal. And as you can see there was a protector across there. Don't open our plugs, you'll find out our secret. Well, you don't need to open your plug, you know the secret. But, like I say, call me a liar if you want. If you've got one of these plugs, it's 2 screws, or maybe 1 screw, open it up and check for yourself. And then you should be, if you know anything about electrics, you know that's a straight contact. It's like plugging wires into your wall. Would you plug wires into your wall? Would you plug bare wires into your socket? No, that stopped in the 70s and the 80s. So, like I say, earth don't even matter, because when you get a 2-prong plug, you put it into negative light and that's it. There's no earth. So you're already running the risk of getting electrocuted because you've got no earth to back it up. All I'm saying is, I'm sorry to have to say this, but please, 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 protect you, protect your family. Stop using these plugs. You know the information about the Chinese plugs. Do me a favour, do yourself a favour, do your friends a favour. Show your friends this video or tell them about their plugs. Tell them not to use them, because you are dealing with death. If you like my video, thumbs up. If you don't, be brave and tell me why you don't like my video. But I'm always doing videos like this to try to help people out. Catch you later. Bye. Good. Testing 1. Testing 1. Testing 1, 2. Right.